So guys, did you know that there's a way that you can use Claude as well as some other AI tools to help you build up an automated digital product store? And it's going to come down to the formula that you can see on the screen. The first element of this formula is going to be traffic. If you're able to become a master of traffic by understanding how you can get people to see the products that you're selling, that's going to be the first part of the equation. The next part is going to be email, because it's very important for you to understand that traffic is important. But if you're able to own the traffic in the form of building up an email list, this is going to be the biggest part of the puzzle. And everything I'm going to show you today is going to involve how digital product stores are getting traffic, how they're building up email lists for them to be in a position of automating their sales. So just so that you guys know, when I say traffic, just so that everyone's on the exact same page, there's two forms of traffic. You can either get traffic through organic means or paid methods. And I've personally studied thousands of different stores on the internet to see exactly what they're doing, how they're doing things. And one of the main ways that a lot of these stores are getting people to be aware of the products that they're selling is by using meta ads. By no means am I saying that meta ads is the only way for you to get traffic, but I would say that it's one of the quickest ways for you to get people to be aware of the brand that you've just built, especially if it's a brand new brand that no one knows exists yet. And the thing that tends to hold a lot of people back from setting up their first ever meta ad campaign is that they believe that they're not good enough, or they believe that they're not capable to even manage the ad and continuously keep optimizing it if they do see success. And this is going to be the first ways that Claude is going to be able to help, because you can actually connect your meta ad account directly to your Claude account. And the reason why this is such a powerful thing is because not only is Claude going to be able to set up the ad for you, but it's going to be able to help you track it, help you make adjustments, or help you decide if it's worth ending the ad if you're not getting the results that you're trying to get. So yeah, traffic is a very important part of it, but as I already mentioned, email is probably even more important, because by building up an email list and collecting as many emails from the traffic that you're sending to your site, you're now going to be able to build up an email list of people that you can continuously keep contacting, let them know about the benefits of your product, and hopefully turn them into a paying customer. And one of the best email marketing solutions from my own experience and in my own opinion is going to be Omnisend. It's free for you to get started, and even if you did want to upgrade, you're going to be able to get 30% off for the first 3 months. Not only that, it also connects directly to your digital product store seamlessly. I'm going to walk you through this and show you exactly how that side of things works as well. And within your Omnisend account, as you can see, you're going to be able to set up campaigns, various different automations. You can also set up a pop-up that's going to appear on your product landing page so that when someone sees it, they are going to be incentivized to give you their email, because you can give them a discount, which in turn is going to help you increase your sales. So I'm going to come back to Omnisend in a moment, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the power of Claude alongside it. But first things first, what I want to do is show you a real life digital product store that is currently using meta ads as a way for them to get traffic, just so that you understand exactly how this whole thing works. So what I'm going to do is just jump onto Digital Maker AI. You guys already know it. On the left hand side, you're going to see a brand new feature called Store Finder. If I just click into it, what this is going to do is show you a list of different digital product stores that are selling right now. Some of them are using meta ads, some of them are using Instagram, Facebook, so on and so forth. And you're also able to filter it in terms of their niche and the types of products that they're selling. So what I'm going to do is just click into a random one. Let me just go with digital workbook. This is one that I've not picked before. Okay, so there's this site over here. Never heard of them before, but we can see that they're doing pretty decent. If I just click on analyze, what it's then going to do is take me over to this page where it's going to give me a lot more data. So it's going to let me know exactly how much they're bringing in as an estimate on a monthly basis. It's also going to show me how many different ads they're running right now. We can see they've got around 30 different ads for Facebook and Instagram. If we scroll down over here, we can get the daily estimates. And if we also scroll down over here, we can see the exact type of product that they're selling. And if I just click into one of them, as you can see, it's taking me directly to the product page. And what this store is doing is that they are offering these very simple checklists. Of course, it's going to be a digital product. People are going to purchase it. They're going to receive it straight away. So that's basically what they sell. But another thing that they're doing is the fact that they've got this email pop-up that appears. So someone is going to see this. It's going to show on the screen randomly. Let's say if I click on this, it's going to offer me this lead magnet of some sort where I can enter my email, and instantly, just like that, they've now turned their traffic into an actual asset that can potentially bring them revenue in the future. So this is the basic idea behind it. You're just going to build a site like this, load it with digital products, make sure that your site is centered around a specific niche. Also make sure that you've got email marketing already set up on your site so that you can start building up the email list, because again, that is going to be the asset that's going to be the most valuable thing. So my recommendation for any of you out there, before you even think about running your first ad, is just to make sure that you've got email marketing set up. So the site that I'm going to be using as an example is the one that you can see on the screen. This is a site that is going to sell these different digital planners. Again, guys, this is just a random example. If you don't already have a site up and running, you can get one built for completely free by going back over to Digital Maker AI, clicking into the website maker, letting it know exactly what type of products you sell and who exactly you're targeting, the name of your store. It's going to take probably 2 to 5 minutes, but you're going to get a custom built store that doesn't exist on the internet anywhere else. So yeah, this is the site that I was able to build, and I'm going to be using it as an example. So now that I've got my site up and running, if I wanted to set up email marketing, the first thing that I would need to do is go over to Omnisend. So I'm going to leave a free link in my description down below. And for those of you that might already have email marketing set up on your website already, the migration process is pretty straightforward. You're going to be able to shift all of your emails over to Omnisend. They're going to take care of all of that, and it's going to take no more than 5 days. So yeah, just click on start now. It's going to take you through a couple different steps where you need to connect your Omnisend account to your Shopify account. So just go through that process. It's going to take no more than 1 minute. But once you've done that, this is going to be the page that you're going to see. So the initial thing that you're going to need to do is to always make sure that you've got that email pop-up set up. So to do that, you're just going to click on forms. And over here, Omnisend is going to have multiple different templates that you can choose from. And bear in mind that all of these different templates that you can see on the screen, you're going to be able to customize them, edit them, do your own style, add your own images to them, however you wish to do it. But the one that I'm going to go with is going to be simple. Let's go with this one over here. So I've actually already set this up on the Shopify store already, but I just wanted to walk you guys through it just so that you can see exactly what it involves. So basically, this is going to be the pop-up that you can customize. If I wanted, let's say, someone to be able to enter their first name alongside their email address, all I need to do is just drag and drop the input element in there just like that. I can remove the text. I don't want it to say first name and first name, so I'm just going to remove the label. Okay, perfect. So if I wanted to make any other change, e.g. the color of this button, the actual color of the template, I'm going to be able to easily do that. There's also options here in terms of how you want the pop-up to appear. Do you want it to be frequent? Do you want it to be scheduled? Do you want it to show on a specific device? So there's all of these different options if you also want to do A/B testing as well. I'm not going to spend too much time on this because Omnisend has done a good job of making this part of the process really simple. And if I just go over to the demonstration store, as you guys can see, the email pop-up appears instantly. But setting up this pop-up is just one part of the equation. The most important thing is going to be the email sequence that's going to happen afterwards, because you want everything to be automated. You don't want to have to sit there writing the emails yourself, sending them out one by one. Whenever someone signs up, they're going to get an email at a specific time, and those emails are going to have the job of selling the products that you have available. And this is actually where Claude is going to come in. So within Omnisend, what you need to do is just click on automation and then go over here to where it says explore templates. And the one that I'm going to set up is going to be the welcome series. There's some other important ones, e.g. the abandoned cart, product reviews, back in stock, so many, but I'm going to touch on these ones in future videos. The one that I want to focus on is the welcome one. This is going to trigger as soon as someone enters their email into the pop-up that you saw me set up. So I'm just going to click on customize workflow. And this is what the interface is going to look like within Omnisend. So it's going to be here where you can choose whatever triggers you want. If you want it to trigger as soon as someone joins your list, which is going to happen if someone enters their email. If you want it to happen another way, this is where you're going to make all of the necessary changes. But it's going to be over here where you're now going to add all of the different emails, and you're also going to add the delay that's going to happen in between each one. So e.g. as soon as someone enters the email list, it's going to wait 1 minute and it's instantly going to send them this welcome email. And if I wanted to now add another email that's going to happen, let's say a day later, I could just drag and drop the delay over here like that, tell it that I want it to wait exactly 1 day. And from there, I can now drag the email element in there just like this, and I can enter all of the information. But as I mentioned before, this is where Claude is now going to play a big role, because Claude actually connects directly to Shopify stores. So if you've got a digital product store, you've loaded it with digital products, number one, you can use Claude to build those digital products and instantly add them to your store without ever having to copy and paste the products yourself. But in addition to that, you can also use Claude to help you scan through your store, scan through your products, and come up with the best email marketing sequence. So because I've already connected my Shopify to my Claude account, and the way that you do that is really simple. You just need to go over here on the left-hand side where it says customize. And then from there, you just need to make sure that you're in connectors. And if I just click on browse connectors, as you can see, there's all of these different companies, all of these different options. Some of them you probably heard of, some of them you might have not heard of. You know, we've got Canva, we've got Notion, Gmail, there's so many, but we've also got Shopify. So yeah, if you're following along with what I'm doing, just make sure that you connect your Shopify store to your Claude account. And then from there, what you want to do is enter a very simple prompt. So this is what I'm going to tell Claude to do. I'm going to tell it to scan my Shopify store and analyze my active products, then design the best 7-part welcome email series for me to set up in Omnisend. The sequence needs to trigger when someone enters their email to get 20% off. As a matter of fact, I'm going to leave it on 10% for now. For each of the emails, give me number 1, the goal of the email, number 2, the subject line, number 3, the pre-header, number 4, the full formatted email body so that I can copy and paste it directly into Omnisend, and then number 5, the delay or timing that needs to happen in between each email. So yeah, you can pause the screen right now, copy this prompt, because this is going to give you the best result possible. And what I'm going to do is click on the plus icon, go over here to where it says connectors, make sure that Shopify is selected. Okay, perfect. And I'm also going to make sure that I'm on the highest version of Claude, which is this one right now. So I'm just going to click on enter. Okay, perfect. And just like that, as you guys can see, it's now scanning my actual Shopify store. It's been able to pull up the exact product. Right there, as you guys can see, we've got the price, we've got the title of the product. So it's analyzing it right now. It's looking through the entire description. It's trying to get an understanding of what this product is. And the reason why this is really useful is because I don't have to necessarily think for myself as to what is going to go into each and every email. By using Claude, which is one of the best AI tools right now to scan the actual product and come up with the best email sequence, I'm of course going to be able to get a better chance of being able to turn people into paying customers as soon as they enter their email address. So yeah, I'm going to wait for it to do its thing. It's probably going to take maybe a couple minutes, but as soon as it's done, I'm going to be back straight away and we're going to see exactly what it came back with. Okay guys, I'm back, and as we can see, this is what it was able to do. It came back with a full PDF document with each and every email for me to copy and paste. So if I just open it up, let's get a look. Okay, so we've got email 1, email 2, email 3. So I'm going to start off with email 2 because email 1 is already there. Omnisend automatically adds it as well as the coupon code for people to use. So I'm going to jump straight to email 2. And my intention right now is to show you how simple it is when using Claude alongside any LLM to help you produce emails super quick. So now that I've got all this information, let's go back over to Omnisend. And for all these sections, I'm just going to get it from the PDF document, the subject line, the pre-header, sender's name, everything. So I'm just going to copy and paste that right now, and I'm going to be back in a moment. Okay, so we can see that the subject has been added to the email. Perfect. So the next thing that I now need to do is add the section so that I can add the text into the email. I'm just going to click on add elements. I'm going to drag and drop the text in there like that. And then I'm just going to copy the text. So I'm just going to drag all of the text like this. I'm just going to click on copy. And then I'm just going to paste all of the text in there just like that. So of course from here, you can now format the text in any way that you want. If you want to change the size of it, you're going to be able to do that by going over here on the left hand side. I prefer using 18 for my emails that I send out. So that is what I'm going to select here. I can also change the font as well. There's all of these different options. I can also make this header over here bold. So I'm just going to do that. And just like that, that's how simple it is for you to set things up. There's some other options that you can use. Of course, Claude is good for you to write the emails, but Omnisend does have some really good options. E.g., if I wanted to add the product directly into the email, I could just click on products just like that. Come over here to my most recently added product. Say that I want it to be a single product. I'm going to click into my actual store. So let's go over here. There we go. The product has now been added directly into the email. If I just click on preview and test, let's get a look. Okay, so when someone opens up the email, this is what they're going to see. They're going to read through it. And at the end over here, it's going to have the product that they can click directly into, and it's going to take them directly to the product page. And it goes without saying that you're going to have to do the rest for the remainder of the emails. So far we've got day 1, we've got day 2, and you can do it for however long you want. If you want it to last 7 days, 14 days, that's completely up to you. But in my personal opinion, I would say that this is one of the most simplistic ways to build up a digital product store. Send traffic to it. Make sure that you've got an email collection form, and then from there, let Omnisend do the selling for you. And don't forget, guys, if you wanted to sign up to Omnisend, I'm going to leave that direct link in my description down below. It's completely free. If you did want to upgrade, it's going to be 30% off for the first 3 months. So it's definitely worth taking advantage of. So I'd say that those are some of the key things that you need to know. If you're someone that's looking to take advantage of this digital product store formula, of course, there's some other parts that goes into it that I didn't really get time to talk on. I do have a full step-by-step guide coming out real soon where I'm going to break everything down. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss that video. In this video, I didn't really get a lot of time to speak about the traffic side of things and how you can use Claude to help you set up your first official meta ad campaign, and how you can also use Claude to help you optimize it as well. But don't worry, I actually recently made a video breaking all of this down, walking you through step by step how you can build a digital product, how you can get your website built as well, and how Claude is going to be able to help with the traffic side of things. So if you want to watch that video, just click the link on the screen. Be sure to check that out straight after this because it's already helped out so many people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it's going to be able to help you out as well. But other than that, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.